Now, I often maintained that this film, Diwar, the entire screenplay, every line can walk into this vlog. Every line. And I'm not exaggerating. Today I'm going to feature a line which is a very important sequence in the film. As you know, there are two brothers in the movie Diwar. I'm referring to the 1975 film. Amitabh Bachchan, the elder brother, becomes a gangster, a smuggler, and the younger brother, that is Shashi Kapoor, becomes a police officer. So after his training has been completed, for the first time, he is officially allowed to wear the police uniform. And in his police uniform, he lands up at his house. Now, palatial house that has been built from the spoils of crime by his elder brother. So when he comes in, his mother, Nirupa Roy, is initially taken aback. What is the police doing at their door? And then she recognizes him and she says, welcome home. He says, I'm very happy, and immediately asks, where is my brother? She says, these days he rarely comes home. He comes at 12 in the night, 1 in the night, doesn't eat properly. In fact, he doesn't even sleep like he used to once. He keeps tossing and turning. And then she asks her son, that is the newly minted Inspector Ravi, played by Shashi Kapoor, क्यों बेटा पैसा आ जाए तो नींद नहीं आती? Which means that she's asking him, if one becomes very rich, does it lead to a deficit in sleep? Does the sleep get destroyed? So does the money come at the cost of sleep? Is the question she's asking. And Shashi Kapoor says in typical Shashi Kapoor style, दोनों ही बातें हैं माँ, ज़्यादा पैसा आए तो नींद नहीं आती, नींद आए तो ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं आता. Recently we were having a discussion with one of our friends about what would you have told your younger self. So the things were that don't worry so much. And another person was saying that I would not have studied a single book. I would have probably played a lot. I was saying these counterfactuals are wonderful. But the point is, it's like run Lola run. If you even change one thing from the sequence, the end result is not going to be the same. If you lost your sleep and made money, if you would have slept, you wouldn't have had money. What is the point in telling your younger self something? Because if you told him something and you changed that, then the end result, like the run Lola run sequencing, would have changed just by changing a little thing. Think about it. But beautiful dialogue, Salim Javed. This comes at 1 hour and 32 minutes into the movie. Of course, it's Diwar, 1975, the classic, which I believe every line will eventually make its way into this vlog. दोनों ही बातें हैं माँ, ज़्यादा पैसा आए तो नींद नहीं आती, नींद आए तो ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं आता.
पुलिस ऑफिसर रवि वर्मा अंदर आ सकता?
अरे रवि, एक पल के लिए तो मैं समझी कि सचमुच पुलिस वाला आ गया.
अरे माँ कमाल करती हो. क्या मैं सचमुच पुलिस वाला नहीं हूँ? अरे अब तो मेरी पोस्टिंग भी यहाँ हो गई है. अरे आप देखना मेरे जलवे. भाई कहाँ?
क्या बताऊं रवि, जब से विजय ने बिजनेस शुरू किया है, उसे एक पल की फुर्सत नहीं मिलती. हर रात 12-1 बजे घर आता है. कभी दोनी वाले खाता है तो कभी कभी वो भी नहीं. अब पहले जैसे नींद भी नहीं. रात भर करवटें बदलता है. क्यों बेटा, पैसा आ जाए तो नींद नहीं आती?
दोनों ही बातें हैं माँ. ज्यादा पैसा आए तो नींद नहीं आती, नींद आए तो ज्यादा पैसा नहीं आता.